Hello friends, today we are going to discuss Introduction to IT and ITES industry. This session will introduce the basic concepts and ideas related to information technology and IT enabled services. So first, let's learn what is information technology. Information technology means creating, managing, storing and exchanging information. IT includes all types of technology used to deal with information. Computer takes data as input, processes it and produces the result as output. The information is the result of the data processing. Data refers to the facts or raw material which are processed to get the information. Number of boys and girls in a class is a factual data of the classroom. This is an example of data related to the students in the class. Some conclusion can be drawn based on this data. This conclusion is information. Information Technology Enabled Services or ITES. The information technology that enables the business by improving the quality of service is Information Technology Enabled Service. ITES is also called Web Enabled Service or Remote Service. ITES is defined as outsourcing of processes that can be enabled with information technology and covers diverse areas like finance, HR, administration, healthcare, telecommunication, manufacturing, and many more. The next topic of this unit is BPO service. BPO is business process outsourcing. BPO also comes under IT services as IT plays a very useful role in optimizing the business performance. The BPO industry is highly organized and hence various kinds of jobs are outsourced in India. India has the expertise in reducing cost with firm control on the quality of the service. Here you can see the list of BPO industries, BPO services. Now we will discuss about BPM. BPM is Business Process Management. BPM industry has provided India with a wide range of economic and social benefits, which includes creating employment, raising income levels, and promoting exports. It has placed India on the world map with an image of a technologically advanced and knowledge-based economy. BPO service providers in India invest in high-tech hardware and software to deliver the best of the services. BPO industry in India is highly developed and capable of delivering numerous types of BPO services in exceptional quality. Information technology has become a part of everyday life. For a user, computer is a tool that provides the desired information whenever needed. The use of computer and information technology can be observed at home, workplace, in the modern service industry, and in all aspects of life. Now let's discuss all aspects one by one. IT in home computing. A personal computer is used to work at home, to do household accounts, play games, surf the web, use email, create music, and pursue a range of other hobbies. Computers and digital devices are now used for online shopping and e-commerce also. In our daily life also, we use washing machine, microwave, oven, and many other products using which we have embedded software. We can store all the information about our important work, appointment schedules, and list of contacts in a computer. Computer is therefore playing a very important role in our lives, and now we cannot imagine the world without computers. Nowadays, many libraries are computerized. Each book has a barcode associated with it. This makes it easier for the library to keep a track of books. In the office environment, computers and computer applications are used to perform office work more effectively. Now, automation is becoming more and more common. Internet and office applications form the basis of modern business. Now, use of IT in education. The students, teachers, and educational administrators and every stakeholder in the education sector has benefited with the integration of IT in education. ICT can be used in the classroom for e-learning classrooms, smart board presentation, video on experiments, creation of images and video, desktop publishing of magazines, letters, and documents can be done. Education anywhere, anytime. There are a variety of websites and mobile apps to access educational resources on any topic. Third is teaching aids and media. Teachers can use pictures, animations, and audiovisual to explain subjects that are difficult to explain. IT in entertainment, communication, and business. Internet is a major source of entertainment nowadays. We can download and view movies, play games, chat, use multimedia, incorporate visual and sound effects using computers. Modern communication makes use of the computer system. We use computers for email, chatting, and video conferencing. Many business transactions happen through internet called e-commerce. IT facilitates marketing, customers visit, product browsing, shopping, basket, checkout, tax and shopping, receipt, and process the order. Now, the role of IT in science and engineering. Scientists and engineers use computers for performing complex scientific calculations. Computer-aided design or computer-aided manufacturing applications are used for drawing, designing, and for simulating and testing the designs. IT in banking, insurance, and marketing. Every activity of a bank is now online. RDs, FDs, money transfers, and online transactions are done using internet. Insurance companies also keep all records up to the date with the help of computer database. In marketing also, computers are used for advertising of the products. IT in healthcare services. With the advancement in computer hardware and software technology, various high-tech machines are used in the diagnosis and treatment of critical diseases. Using expert system, disease can be diagnosed at the early stages and the patients can be given treatment accordingly. Some of the machines are listed here. Now, IT in the government and public service. The government is actively encouraging e-governance practices. Digital India and e-governance initiative of Government of India are best examples of this. The Income Tax Department, Sales Tax Department, preparations of voter list, preparation of PAN card makes use of the computer system. Many government services are available online. Electricity bills can now be paid online. The government uses electronic voting for elections by replacing the traditional voting slip and ballot box. People can enroll themselves in the electoral roll through the State Election Commission portal.